perform the landmine squat, place your feet slightly wider than hip width apart and point your toes slightly outward. This will greatly enhance the stability of your glutes during the movement. Don't let your shoulder blades relax. Squeeze them together for better trunk stability. Your knees should be slightly bent, never hyperextended. The movement begins with a hip hinge, pushing your glutes straight back. Once you feel a good stretch in your glutes, bend your knees and lift your chin, lowering your hips toward the floor. You'll notice the bar stays very close to your ankles and your arms are between your legs. Look straight ahead in line with your shoulders. Once you've got the movement down, press firmly through your heels as you come up to increase the stabilizing force from your hamstrings. And don't forget to breathe in on the way down and exhale forcefully on the way up, keeping your abdomen tightly contracted. Like this tip? Then go ahead and like and share it with that friend who always gets the form wrong.